So we're on the SQ5 project that my friend bought, which I should have bought because he's in such a rush to ruin the car and he doesn't like to take his time. So he wants to cut corners because that's the way he is. However, he doesn't realize the whole fun of the car is to take your time and do it right. So these calipers, of course, they are faded over time, you know, the heat, everything else. And you see a lot of these S badges, they tend to kind of disappear over time also. So it's actually coming out pretty decent. Hitting it with this compound, this nice dirty pad, but there is a significant, hold on, let me clean it off. It's actually a pretty significant difference, and it doesn't look like anything's coming off on the pad so much. After this, I'm going to ceramic coat it. You know, it's very difficult to get into all these nooks and crannies. It's probably impossible. I mean, I don't know, unless they sell something that is tiny in these things. Actually, I'd really like to get this back to black, possibly. But yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, put some light on it. Significant difference. So you could see the difference between where the spot I can't get into versus the rest of the caliper. So really nice first run on this. Got to get the back, you know, but it will look really nice. Let's take a look at the other side. Yeah, look at the difference in how faded and dirty it is on that side. So significant difference between the two calipers. A must do if you have one of these, especially with the blue. Yeah, that's a big difference. Seriously, that's looking mighty Porsche right there. This side's pretty dirty, but we'll clean it up. Yeah, here's the before. Better before. I should have showed it. The other side wasn't this dirty, so we'll see. See what we can do. Try to get this back. All right. My boy's still trying to cut corners, but we're getting them there. We're getting them there. He's trying hard to cut corners. Oh, look at this. Did you didn't shine the light on this bad boy? I don't know. Wait a minute. You used that buffer on here, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah, you did. I could tell. Ah, this guy. See what I mean?
Fucked it up.
Sir. A lot of Audis today. Audi Central. Okay, so was the back. Came out nice. What do you think? Anything special here? No, not really. This one was pretty dirty. Came out pretty good. Yeah, actually, you know what? That was the dirtiest one of them all. But you could tell by the pad because I actually washed it. You know, it came back to white, and you know, a lot of red came off on there. But I ceramic coated it. Hopefully, it'll last. You know, just got to start somewhere, bringing the car back to life. Got this side. Now remember, this is where you see it from. Let's go to the other side that I already did. Oh yeah. Really looks good. Especially that back one. You can definitely see that S.